So this is a new kind of video on the channel, and I want to continue to make videos like these because I think they're the most beneficial for you. I will be showing you my dropshipping store, ad accounts, ads, and financials, just so you can take this information and maybe give dropshipping a go and make some money online. Now, dropshipping isn't what it seems to be. It's incredibly difficult and competitive. If you don't know, I make money entirely online, and I've done well. Also, with real life businesses, I have done well. But this video isn't about my backstory. It's about making money online. The realities are much different to what is portrayed online, and I want to show you the real results of dropshipping, the most popular way to make money online. In this video, I've launched a dropshipping store, purposely to try and make some money and show you the real results. If you want to see a Shopify dashboard with $10K plus and thousands of orders, go watch someone else's video. This video is about my experience launching a store from A to Z, which I've documented entirely for this video. I found the wax scope using Facebook ads. Going into the Facebook ads library, and it's going to look like this. You want to change the country which you're filtering by to the United States of America. This is because most e-com brands use this as their target market, as they are the biggest. So you will be able to find a product primarily which a store is running much easier. Filter the content type by video, as video ads are primarily run by stores which are selling products. And then scroll through and try and find something which catches your eye. When you see a product which catches your eye, go onto their website which is selling the product and see what you can do better. Maybe add reviews, change the page layout, better offer, better images, all of these if possible. The more of these you can hit, the better chance you have of outcompeting these people and selling more. Then you want to go into Shop Hunter or another store tracker and track the store with the store link in which you were just browsing. You want to see if the product is making money. If it's making a small amount of sales, it might not be worth taking the product and running it. Then see if the product is being marketed on TikTok. If it isn't, then figure out if it's possible to repurpose current ads being ran on Facebook and move them onto TikTok. This is what I did with the wax scope. I found it was making a very small amount of sales, but I thought it would be a challenge, so I gave it a go. The wax scope original store had since been closed down. Just want to quickly mention that I have launched a money making method, which you can start making money as soon as you join my Discord community to help everyone get started with making money online. I am signing brands which you can be an affiliate for straight away, which have high commissions. As a way, I can actually help out the legends you all are. I will never charge anything for my Discord. Everything is free. Join now to add another stream of income to your current streams, which takes you 30 minutes a day to get up and running. So that probably was a good indicator that this product won't work. But I gave it a go anyway. I went to CJ Dropshipping and found the product at a viable price and saw the shipping times, which you can do by going under this big orange button and pressing the country you want to ship to and the method you want to use to ship. This will give you the product cost, and then you can go and add a product price on your Shopify store, which makes sense. When I found the product, I got to work on the name of the product. I went to ChatGPT and explained my product to the chatbot and asked it to find a name for the business. I then went to a Shopify domain checker and added some of the names that I thought were simple and sleek for a TikTok bio, and went after the .com domain. Luckily, the waxscope.com domain was available, so I bought it, went through to colors.com to find a color palette for my store, but then I just went with a pink and white color scheme. Here is what my website looks like. Not the best in my opinion, but it should have converted. It had many reviews, clean design, and clear buy now buttons, which stuck out. These are things you have to have. A clean and simple professional design website will convert, no matter what sort of conversion tactics that these guys are trying to teach you. If it looks professional, it'll convert. I found the product images and then cut out the actual product from them, and I found a pink pedestal on Google and then photoshopped the product onto it. Try and make some or find some good product images. I couldn't find any good images online or on AliExpress, so I went to remove.bg and see if it removes the background. It didn't remove it for me, so I had to do it manually in Photoshop. It took a bit of time, but that doesn't matter. Product images is what will help you convert. I then went to TikTok to try and find some content around the product in order to chop up and make some ads around it. I was going for fast-paced, eye-catching content that I personally think these ads were some of the best ads that I could have made for the product. Here is a line of 3 of them playing all together alongside each other, so you can see my creatives and how I made them. Here is the TikTok account, which I kept posting for maybe 4 days alongside the Facebook ads. The Facebook ads sort of performed well with about just over $1 CPC. Then I decided to give TikTok paid ads a shot. targeting Australia and New Zealand because I didn't have a USA TikTok account ready for that store. These metrics weren't bad for the wax scope. With some more refining, I think this product would have made some decent sales, but I couldn't really be bothered since I have my own brands running. You want a CPC of below $1 if you can for TikTok, Facebook maybe $1.50, and a CPM between $15 and $10 if possible. These are really good metrics if you can get to them, but it's hard to do depending on your experience. I spent a total of $136.64 to see a return of $0, and I maybe spent 6 to 7 hours of working on the logo in the store and other product images and other things. The store had around 100 sessions from TikTok organic and Facebook paid ads. The total was 180, but I think 80 of them would have been me. If I were to continue running the product, then I would have refreshed my ad creatives and lowered my price even more, since I think that the market on TikTok has a lower amount of money to spend, whereas Facebook has a high spending power as the demographic is much older and has a higher income. Another thing I would have done differently is get a USA TikTok ads account like I mentioned before. I was running ads on Facebook and TikTok to see that the results of both platforms are about the same. So what I did was I took creatives from both and repurposed them. So I was running same creatives on different platforms. Now, I don't know if this was the right thing to do because Facebook has different content styles which perform better, and TikTok has another sort of fast-paced, this kind of style video which performs better on TikTok. But my results are here. 0 sales. That's the reality. Sometimes you don't get the results you wanted, but I only risked $136. That's fucking nothing. Here is how much I spent, and now it's all gone.